Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am really excited for. Basically, it's a product that I've seen all over social media, and having blonde hair, because it is a shampoo, I knew I wanted to try it, but I was always scared to order it. I don't know why, honestly, but yeah, during this quarantine I got the guts to do it and I ordered it. I still haven't opened it because I wanted to share it with you guys first and open it here. But what it is the shampoo from the brand FANOLA. So I know that a lot of you guys have seen my video in which I did highlights at home, which is how I got my hair so blonde from being like a natural brunette. This is what it comes in, and I'm gonna open it. I'm like really excited because I am gonna show you guys everything. Like, I'm gonna put it on, and I think it says like 5 minutes, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on my hair and show it to you guys. But if you guys want to know, this is what my hair looks before. It's definitely getting like orangey because the tone, the thing that I use for my hair, it is bleach, and having my hair darker, you know, than it not being blonde, then it turns orange. So yeah, who's excited to open this package? Let's see. I ordered the 1000, put it right here because I literally have to be in my restroom right now for this. Wow, this is really hard to open, but let's see. Let's open it.
Oh my god, this is hard to open.
Got it open. Alrighty guys, so I'm opening the box now. And when you take it out of this packaging, it is just a brown normal cardboard box. But yeah, it has tape along the lines. I am gonna open it. I'm gonna grab something to open it with. Give me 1 second. Alrighty guys, so I have the package right here, and I actually just opened it. And when you open it from the cardboard box, there is paper. Let's see. Take all of it out. Oh my god, more packaging. So this is the shampoo.
So take it out here. Let's see, let me show you guys exactly what it looks like.
It's like, it feels so surreal to have this in front of me. I always wanted to order it. Alright, but long story short, this is the shampoo that I ordered, and basically it is from the brand FANOLA. And if you guys are on Instagram a lot of the time, you guys probably saw this product, and it's mainly for like girls who have colored their hair, and you know, over time it does get a certain color that you don't like, and these shampoos are supposed to help your hair. So for me, so first let me talk about the company. I literally wrote to the company FANOLA on Instagram, and they had literally great customer service. Like, I feel like, oh my god, I bothered them a little bit because I contacted them twice. The first time was because I wasn't sure if to order the no orange, which is this one, it says it right here, no orange, or the no yellow, because I honestly wasn't sure. Like, I've seen videos beforehand, but I never really got to the conclusion on which one was the one that I was gonna order. So I literally went to their Instagram account, and I wrote to them. I sent them a picture of my hair, and I was like, hey, like, this is the tone of my hair, the level, which one would you guys recommend me buying? So I know this is really big, and they did not tell me to buy this big bottle. I bought it because I know that I'm always going back and forth between brunette and blonde. So I knew that this would come handy. But in regards to contacting them, they literally contacted me like within, I'd say, 10 minutes. Like, they literally told me to buy this one, and like, you know, considering the color of my hair. The second time that I contacted them was because I accidentally, like, when you go on the website and you go to order this product, so basically you track your product with this app, and I accidentally, like me, such a blonde moment, I accidentally pressed delivered, and I was worried that I wasn't gonna get my product because me, like a smarty, I pressed it, I already received it. So yeah, I contacted them again. I was like, hey, I'm so sorry, like I accidentally pressed delivered in the app, like, and now I can't, you know, now I can't track my package. And where I live, I have to, you know, I have to track it. I don't know if you guys, I don't live in a very good neighborhood, but yeah, so I had to track it. And they were so wonderful. They literally wrote to me again, like this time in less than a minute, and they literally gave me the tracking information, and they told me what day it was gonna come, and literally it came the same day they told me. So I'm really excited. And so far, if you guys are interested in ordering this, customer service is 100%. I give them a 10 10 10 plus 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 plus. So in regarding to my hair looks a little bit crazy right now. You can see like my hair where like it divides, and that is because this is like day 3, day 4, like going on day 4 of dirty hair. And the reason why my hair is dirty is because I actually like to leave my hair dirty if it's natural oils, so that way that anything that I'm putting on my hair, like my natural oils in a way protect my hair. Like that's what my mom always told me growing up. Comment below if your mom ever told you the same, or anyone else. But yeah, when dyeing your hair, when putting anything on your hair, I feel like it should be dirty, just because, you know, your hair has its natural oils that it's gonna protect your hair. So if you happen to have hair color like mine, this is the shampoo that is suitable for your hair color. So one really important last thing I want to say before I put this on my hair and try it out with you guys, to use gloves. I have seen so many videos where girls literally have stained hands because of this product. It is literally like dark blue. Like I haven't opened it for myself, I haven't seen it for myself, but I've seen a lot of videos, which is why I know. Like look at that, you can just tell by the cap. Okay, so I have my gloves right here, and I'm just gonna put them on. These have come in handy. I honestly don't know if I would have had gloves before Corona. No, I'm just kidding. I'm literally always dyeing my hair, so I have gloves around. So I'm putting my gloves on, and I'm gonna put it on my hair. I'm like really excited. Like I said, I have high hopes. Really high hopes. Next, you need a towel. Well, I would need a towel because I literally have like a shirt on like this, and I literally do not want to turn blue and be blue. So I'm literally just gonna grab this towel. I literally match. Do you guys notice that? Wait till you guys see this. I literally have blue gloves and an orange towel. Look at this, match perfectly. I literally did not do this on purpose. This is just a towel that was clean. So let me just read the instructions for you really quick before I put this on my hair and start, you know, seeing the results. So basically, it indicates that use wearing the appropriate gloves. Oh, okay. So it does say to use gloves. So hey, see, I didn't even know that. All right. So with the product itself, it says use wearing the appropriate gloves. Apply to wet hair. Apply to wet hair. Massage. Leave on for 1 to 5 minutes, lather and rinse. Repeat. I know this is saying to use it on wet hair, but I feel like I want to do it on dry hair. I don't know why, but I just do. I just feel like it might just work better. So yeah, I'm actually going to try it on my hair just how it is right now. I'm not going to wet it to see, just because I want to see if there's a difference. With the previous products that I've used, I have wet my hair first, but I feel like it doesn't work really well. So I don't know. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. Because this is like really dark. But you know what? It's going to work out, right? It's going to work out. Just like everything in life. Just like everything in life, it's going to work out, right? Alright, so basically, I want to get my towel to cover me as much as possible, and I am going to have my hair in the front. So what I'm gonna do is start with the ends and then work my way up. Alrighty guys, so right off the bat, what I'm gonna say, and I'm talking quickly because my phone is about to die, but right off the bat, what I have to say is that this product is very dangerous. By dangerous, I mean that it is gonna spill everywhere. You are going to be getting stained everywhere, but not stained to the point where, oh my god, if fell on this, it will never come out. No, it does come out. You just have to wipe it off. I tried it right now with water, but stain as in this, as in my forehead. My hair kind of looks black, like I just literally dyed it black, and I hope it doesn't turn out black. I just wanted it to, you know, take out the orangey and copper colors. But right now I'm just gonna take a quick shower and I'm gonna blow dry for you guys, and I'm gonna try and get on the natural sunlight before the sun goes down. But yeah, this is literally what I look like right now. Alright, so as you can see, here I am in natural lighting, and you can definitely tell that the shampoo made a difference in my hair. It took out the orangey. I did show you guys the before of what my hair looked like before, and honestly I loved the results. Do I recommend this shampoo? Yes, I do. I just do want to say that it's very messy, so don't do what I did and, you know, put it on the floor. I would recommend that you get in the shower and then do it then. I did do it with my hair dry, and honestly it worked wonders. It did just what I expected it to do. And here I am next to my window, and you can literally see some streaks that are kind of like that beige blonde, like that really light blonde, and I actually really love it. So yes, I do recommend the shampoo. My hair feels really soft, and I absolutely love the way it left my hair. So here it is, once again, the No Orange Shampoo by FANOLA, and I definitely do recommend it. So once again, thank you so much for watching my channel and this video, and I hope it helps you guys. The ordering was easy, customer service was great, and honestly this is a really great shampoo. I have used some before from like Rite Aid and all of that, and honestly it doesn't compare. You can literally see that my hair looks a lot more different than what it did when I first started. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and you know, let me know if you end up buying it. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video.